Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have the LG TV and I'm going to show you how to use your flash drive on your LG TV. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you need to do guys is to connect your flash drive to the back of the TV. And of course, in this case, my LG ThinQ AI TV has its flash drive ports to the left side. So they're to the back over here. And I've already inserted the flash drive. Now make sure that that flash drive is in all the way, and as soon as it's in, you're going to take your remote, and once you take your remote guys, you're going to go down, and there are two ways to access your flash drive. So first of all, you can go all the way down here, and you'll notice here it says USB flash drive. But of course, there's a more convenient way. If you go over to this section here that says Home Dashboard, so you can go ahead and select your Home Dashboard. You can go ahead guys, and as you can see here, you'll see a bunch of options as outlined right here. And if you check out down here, which is all the way down here, you'll see that it says right here USB flash drive. All right, so if you go ahead and select the USB flash drive, this screen will pop up, and once the screen pops up, you have several options. You can view your recordings, you can view files, shows you the total capacity of the drive. Mine is 30 gigabytes. You can eject or you can even format. Now format is going to erase all the data on the drive, especially if it's not being detected. You might want to format it to the standard of the TV. Eject, as soon as you want to safely eject, you can do that, or you can view files. All right, so if we hit OK, I'm just showing you the files. Now it's loading up the flash drive, and here you go. You can see all my files on the flash disk. All right, so these are all the files that are stored on this particular disk. You can see, sorry, let me go back. If you were to take the approach of this section down here, it will bring you to the same place. As you can see, it gives you the same options, media files, recording, and so on. All right, so we can go straight to media files as earlier. Enter the password here. Yours might not be password locked unless you lock your apps. We have a separate video on that. All right, so as we were saying, your flash drives files are right here. All right, so that's it. And of course, once you're finished, you can go ahead and go back, and you can exit, and you can go ahead and eject the flash drive if you're not using it. All right, so I'm going to end the tutorial here. So see you in the next one guys. Bye.